Hey, hello everyone from Detroit in Michigan. I'm sorry, but I have to kind of whisper because Rachel is downstairs working. She's on a call. But we got here a couple days ago. Today's Tuesday. We got here on Sunday, very early in the morning. We took a red-eye flight from San Francisco. And we couldn't check in here until very late in the afternoon. It was like almost 4 p.m. So we just hung out at a coffee shop for hours and hours with all our bags. I didn't get a chance to get out that day that much. It was raining a lot too. I did go out in the evening because the light was amazing and the atmosphere it was kind of foggy because of all the rain. I made a few images, but I didn't feel like recording a video. The same goes for yesterday. I slept like 12 hours after sleeping just 2 the day before, and also a little bit of the jet lag didn't let me go out, but I'm getting ready to go out today. It's our last day here, so I might as well take advantage of that. And I just wanted to show you the Airbnb first a little bit because I think you've seen it before on a couple of videos, but I didn't have the chance to show it to you. This is kind of crazy place. This is one of the craziest Airbnbs we've stayed in. It's kind of cool. The location is not great though. It's kind of far away from everything, but I think it's pretty neat. The place is pretty neat. And once I show you the Airbnb, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna just shoot photos of the city. What I'm gonna be doing today is a little bit different. I'm gonna be recording all the video with my GoPro. I'm gonna have it here, so it's gonna be a POV video, like point of view, or I think it's point of view view. So you're gonna see what I see when I take photos. I'm gonna just bring this the little camera, the RX100. It's all I've been using here in Detroit in these past 2 days to take photos. This is an amazing camera. The images are great, high quality images, and I think it's just perfect for just walking around. I can put it in my pocket, and it doesn't take any space. It's not, it doesn't call for any attention or anything like that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing after, as I said, I show you the Airbnb. This video is going to be a little bit different than usual. I hope you still enjoy it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make any images today. It's kind of sunny, pretty hot. It's 1 p.m. right now. I'm going to be out for a few hours and just walking through downtown and whatnot. And I will be showing you the images that I made these past 2 days at the end of the video as well. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you in the next one, this time from Indiana.
Slow a little down is what they say. I'ma get it all up in my head. White t-shirt, blue jeans. I can never get enough of you. Bright sneakers on, getting ready for a flashback. Time keeps moving on, looking at you, feeling like I could never get enough of you. And I could never get enough of you. I could never get enough of you. And I could never get enough of you. Sneakers on, getting ready for a flashback. Time keeps moving on, looking at you feeling like I could never, like I could never get enough of you, and I could never get enough of you, I could never get enough of you, and I could never get enough of you.
A few hours have passed. As you can see, I'm in a car now. I got it a couple hours ago. This is our last rental car for a while. It's gonna take us tomorrow to Indiana. We're gonna drop it off there. Now Rachel is gonna join me. We're gonna walk to downtown from here, from our place, and go for a drink. Hopefully make some more images around there. It's almost 7 p.m. Sunset is in 2.5 hours, so the light should be pretty good now, and yeah, let's keep doing it.
It's